In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install the Palia on your PC or laptop. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically, to download and install the application, you have to first of all open up a browser. On the web address bar, go ahead and type in palia.com and that's going to take you to their official page. Here you have to go ahead and press the login button located in the top right hand side corner. And over here, go ahead and press on the create an account button. Now you begin with creation of your account. So basically provide in all of these information such as your email address, create a password, type in twice in order to confirm the password as well. And if you have any referral code, you can go ahead and enter that and make sure to mark on the box in the terms and condition as well. Now I'm going to quickly enter in this information. Click the next button in order to proceed on to the next step. Now go ahead and provide in the date of birth and select the country of your region and tap the next button. So right on this page, you could go ahead and copy the referral code as well. If you wish to refer it to some friends or family member, you could do that as well, or just skip that part and tap the next button. So while you're on this page, go ahead and tap the next button. If you wish to go ahead and continue, if you wish to connect to Discord, then you can do that as well. But then if you don't want to do it, so then scroll down. Now while you're on this page, you have to go ahead and click on the option that says download game. As you press on it, here you need to select how do you want to download and play Palia launcher. And it's going to be downloaded soon, so you just have to wait patiently. Once it is downloaded, it's going to load right on top. Go ahead and press on it and it's going to open up a pop-up menu. And now you can go ahead and install the app. So press the install button. Make sure to go through the terms and condition and tap the next button and you'll have successfully download as well as install the Palia application on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.